Today we're taking a step forward in our bourbon journey, and it's time to go to a wonderful place where bourbon meets coffee with this wonderful classic that often gets met with mixed reviews. Today we're making the Revolver. And if you're new to the channel and enjoy these short and to the point cocktail videos, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. But with that said, let's head to the bar and make this. For this cocktail, I'll of course need bourbon, and what a better bourbon for a Revolver than Bulleit bourbon. All puns intended. Now I'm almost done with this bourbon, so it's time for a refill, so why not finish it off? Additionally, you'll need coffee liqueur. I have this Cafe Granita. I really enjoy this coffee liqueur, so you might have a favorite out there, but this is the one I'm currently using. And the last ingredient is going to be orange bitters. I have this bottle of spiced orange bitters, and I really enjoy the spiced orange. But any orange bitters will do. And for garnish, I'll need a flamed orange peel. But don't worry, I'll show you what I mean in a bit. And the tools I need for this drink are a mixing glass, a long stir spoon, a julep strainer, and a fruit peeler. Everything I use in my bar, as well as in this cocktail, are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the mixer, add in 2 ounces of Bulleit bourbon. Now it's time to add in a ½ ounce of coffee liqueur. And lastly, 2 dashes of orange bitters. Now add ice to the mixer and stir for about 20 to 30 seconds. When I pour this, I'm personally using a coupe glass. Ideally, you'd probably want to use a tighter glass, like a Nick and Nora glass. I don't have a set yet, so we're going with the coupe glass. All right, now strain everything into that chilled coupe glass. Now, pull out the orange, slice off a cheek of that orange like so. Light a match right over the drink and express the oils past the flame. And there you have it, the Revolver. Cheers. I get when they say a bourbon lover's coffee drink. This totally makes sense. The coffee liqueur definitely comes out in the front, but it's undeniably bourbon. I don't know, I really like this. I think the spiced orange bitters really do make sense for this drink, since the Bulleit in itself is a bit more spiced. But regardless, for a 3-ingredient drink, this drink is hands down awesome. And I think the reason why this drink has mixed reviews is because people use lower grade coffee liqueur. So if you're gonna buy coffee liqueur, buy something a little bit more reputable. But bourbon, I think you can just kind of go with whatever you enjoy. If I could make one plea, I would say the spiced orange bitters really do make a difference, at least in my opinion. So maybe consider picking up a bottle. Either way, I enjoy this drink. I think it's worth making, but regardless of what I think, what are your thoughts? In the comments, let me know, would you try making this drink? If you tried it, do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. Additionally, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a ton. But until next time, cheers.